Hi guys, I am so excited to show you the full reveal for our box of the month for August. It's time for our cozy season designs. I know you guys love it. If you are interested in getting on our box of the month subscription, head on over to the shop and put your name on that wait list. I'll have the link in the description box for you. I'll send an email out on the 1st reminding you that the box of the month is now live. Our next boxes coming up will be filled with fall coziness, and then our winter designs are coming up. So much cuteness coming, guys. Yesterday I shared what was in your junior box of the month, and today is the full reveal of the box of the month. Yesterday I showed the Mocha Season collection. So this gorgeous paper pad and coordinating ephemera. So beautiful. And the super cute 6x6 stamp set. This is called Cozy Season. So these 3 items are also in the large box of the month. Just adorable. I had a lot of fun coloring in this super cute image here and using the papers. Absolutely love that. I did end up making another card using the paper and the ephemera. Turned out super pretty. I love this little design here with the flowers and the pumpkins. I used 2 different designs, but I did use peel-off stickers to create a faux panel here. And then I have my scallop here with the knitted design, and then I stamped in Cozy Vibes Only. I did follow one of the sketches that will be provided in the newsletter on the 1st, and that is sketch number 3. So I'll be sending that out on the 1st. So if you're not part of our newsletter, the link is in the description. You can sign up and get those emails. The other collection in the box of the month is Blush Autumn. What a pretty palette that is. Absolutely love this pink and just the soft creams in here. Beautiful. We'll open this up and share. I'll also share the ephemera with you, but let's take a look at the stamp set really quickly. You do get a 6x8 stamp set. This is Autumn Joy. We have a nice comfy chair with a blanket and pillow. We've got some books and a pumpkin to the side. We have this cute little tote filled with fall flowers and a little pumpkin tucked in there with a little bow on the side. We have this mug filled with flowers and a bow. We have the stack of books with some flowers and a bow, and then a nice leaf background. Sentiments: simple, autumn, joys, a cup of cozy, a fall into a good book, autumn comforts, autumn joy, filled with happiness, a season to savor, blushing autumn, books, blankets, and blessings. So how fun is that? Let me share the 2 cards I created using the Blush Autumn collection. So I used that cup filled with flowers, and I colored it to match the paper. So I colored the flowers pink and the leaves kind of like a blush brown color, and then did the cup in the same kind of tone, and then we have the enamel dots filled with happiness for my sentiment. And then I also followed one of the sketches. I just used it as a jumping off point. It's not exactly how the sketch is, but these sketches are just ideas to inspire your next creation. So I did put that square behind the one square. So I love how that turned out. And then this one using just the ephemera and the paper. And then I stamped out Blushing Autumn. And this one I followed sketch number 5. So it turned out really pretty. I love the trees in the background, and then I layered this piece up with the leaf paper, and then I put that on a postage grid border, and I did use Lynn's die for that. So the Easy Wonder Die number 3 add-on die. there's this die in there that creates a postage border, so I did that. So love how that turned out. Let's take a look at the paper and the ephemera. And then in the box of the month, you also get 6 sheets of the A2 card fronts, so I'll share that next. I have my scraps in the back here. These are double-sided. You get 4 of each pattern. So here's a pretty little leaf pattern. And then on the back, you get these beautiful leaves and flowers. Some pumpkins. Pretty pink glitter. I love this pink knit. So pretty. And those beautiful flowers. Let me know if you know the name of this flower. Oh, I think I have one of these flowers, but it never blooms. It needs the ants to go into the flower to make the petals bloom, I think. More beautiful fall flowers in the beautiful blush pink color. Beautiful leaves on the back. I love this color gold. It's super pretty. It's like a butter yellow. And then we've got some mushrooms on the back. We've got the beautiful fall trees in pink. And then that beautiful sheet of leaves I used on this card here. All right, so I'm going to play a little music while I put down all of the ephemera for you. We are missing the one ephemera piece that's on my card.
The leaves are dancing down the street. There's something cozy in the air. Pull out the paper, stamps and glue. Our favorite season's finally here. A warm cup waiting by my side. Soft sweaters piled up high. Chocolate browns and pumpkin tones and crafty time tonight. With every little bough and leaf, a cozy story starts to grow. It must be mocha season. Can you feel it in the air? Warm wishes, cozy colors, and pretty paper.
How cute is that? I absolutely love it. Be on the lookout for Christy Marcotte's video later in the month. She'll be sharing cards using the Blush Autumn collection, so I can't wait to see that. Let's create a quick card with the A2 Dreamy Autumn card fronts. This gives me a great excuse to get out some orange cardstock. Also join me on release day at 10 a.m. Central Time for a release day party. I'm going to get out this beautiful die from Lynn. This is the Ultimate Coffee Cup die, and I thought this would be perfect with the Mocha Season collection. So let's craft with that on the first. All right, so on the back, you do get sentiments that you can trim out with Teresa's One and Done die. Her die has flag banners and stitching, so it creates these beautiful strips ready to go. They go perfect with this month's release. So we have Sweet as Autumn Apples, Faith Grows in Every Season, Gathering Autumn Beauty, A Bouquet of Blessings, Cozy Corners and Happy Hearts, Gather, Rest, Repeat, Every Journey is Sweeter with You, Grateful for Every Step, Wishing You Quiet Moments, Picked Just for You, and A Little Comfort for Your Day. So beautiful sentiments. And then Teresa included a bonus image on the back of your cover that you can use. You do get 2 of each design. They are single-sided. They make great card fronts, junk journal pages, covers for mini albums, dividers. Just awesome. I just love it. I love this image here. This would make a beautiful happy anniversary card or something like that, with the couple strolling through the woods. I do really love that one. I'm gonna put that to the side. I think I'm gonna do that one today. Girl looking out the window, sipping on some hot apple cider. These are just so pretty. Little bookstore there. I love this one too. A wagon full of pumpkins. Some pumpkin arrangements on a ladder. A cute little dog. I think I shared these yesterday, but they're so beautiful. I have to share them again. So let's do a quick, let's do two since I have the two. Let's see. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is really pretty. Let's see. I want to see which sentiment I want to use here. Ooh, grateful for every step with this. I love that. Cozy corners, happy hearts. That's going to go great with that bookstore. Right? Sweet as autumn apples will go perfect with the girl picking apples. All right, let's do that one. So I'm just going to add a little washi so this doesn't shift on me, and we'll just line this up. What I like to do is look at the biggest sentiment and then go from side to side to get that even. And then I will maneuver that up and down. You could kind of see right here it's aligned straight to our paper. So I'm just going to add the little washi here. Hold it down. Okay, so I have my beautiful sentiments ready to go here. I'm going to pop these out. I'm going to use the grateful for every step with this one. Picked just for you would also work with this card here. And this one would also work. Every journey is sweeter with you. I love that as well. So I'll have to decide here. Picked just for you. I kind of really love that. And then grateful for every step. I think I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to add this to the back of my packaging. I'm going to add a little bit of ink to the edges of my cardstock. You can cut them down if you want to make a little border, but I am just going to go straight to the edge of my card because I'm not a real fan of an orange border, but I think it'll be fine for a card base. So we're just going to add that, add some glue.
Cut a little, glue a little, make something from the heart. 'Cause mocha season brings us close, one handmade card at a time. There's coffee, chocolate, autumn leaves, sweet puppies dressed in bows, cozy homes and pumpkin treats and sweaters for the cold. We'll mix the prints and add some shine, layer memories along the way.
And I think I'll have my sentiment down here at the bottom.
Someone's brighter day. From the first paper that we cut to the final touch of gold.
And I want to get them even on both ends. I'm going to eyeball that.
Season, can you feel it in the air? Warm wishes, cozy colors.
All right, so I'm going to put my magnets down so it'll dry nice and flat.
Glue a little, create something from the heart. 'Cause mocha season brings us close.
So who's excited for our cozy designs? This is like my favorite time to craft with fall products. I absolutely love it. I enjoy it so much. Speaking of fall, if you haven't registered for our fall retreat, I'll put a link in the description box down below. You can register for your free ticket for day 1. If you're interested in day 2, for the exclusive classes with Christy Marcotte, Alicia, Call Me Crafty Al, Lynn from LV Handcrafted, and myself, we have a class-only ticket, or we have a retreat kit. So all the instructors will be using the retreat kit. It's absolutely gorgeous, guys. I'll have the link to the kit down below. There are limited kits left, so I placed my order. So these are the remaining kits left, and so they will be on sale while supplies lasts. You do get free shipping on the kit. You do get a free gift with 60. The folks that ordered early before July 20th, they got the early bird bonus, so they're getting 2 free gifts with their purchase, but you still do get a free gift and the free shipping. We also have a link for extra paper. A lot of people wanted the extra paper because of all the classes and the heavy paper use, so that is available as well. So 2 quick, beautiful cards. So these are just wonderful if you need to make a stack of cards quickly. So I will just put these under the magnets to dry. And I will see you back tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Time for your Paper Pad Club reveal. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you then. Bye, guys.
Now pass the paper. It's mocha season.